Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by pairing and preparing. Connect your AirPods 3 to your iPhone and confirm battery is adequate so audio won't drop. Once paired, open the Translate app and pick the 2 languages you need. This sets the source and target. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the required iOS so conversation mode works. Then, position the iPhone between speakers or keep it with you. This optimizes mic pickup and avoids overlapping speech when you start the live translation. You now start the actual translation. Tap Conversation in Translate to enable two-way flow. Once the conversation screen appears, tap the AirPlay icon and route the app's audio to your AirPods 3 so translations play privately in your ears. Choose Auto Detect or Manual Language Selection. Auto Detect helps when speakers switch. Speak one sentence, pause, and let the app process. Short, clear phrases reduce errors. Once done, the translated voice will play into your AirPods so you can respond naturally. To finish, tap Done and review recent translations if you need to repeat or copy text. This helps learning and accuracy. If the app mishears, make sure the iPhone mic faces the speaker and reduce background noise. Distance and clutter are the usual culprits. If audio won't route to AirPods or translations stall, restart the Translate app, reconnect your AirPods, or toggle Bluetooth. These steps clear temporary glitches and restore the only reliable live translation path with AirPods 3.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.